What is body scan meditation?
Body scan meditation is a mindfulness practice that involves paying close attention to different areas of your body, from head to toe. This technique helps you become aware of physical sensations, tension, and discomfort without judgment. By gently focusing your attention on each body part, you develop greater self-awareness and promote a profound sense of calm and relaxation.
How to practice body scan meditation?
Begin by finding a quiet, comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Start at the top of your head and slowly move your attention downward, noticing any sensations in each part of your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the area you are focusing on. Continue until you reach your toes.
Key benefits of body scan meditation?
Body scan meditation offers several benefits. It helps reduce stress, improve sleep, and eases tension and pain by promoting relaxation. Practicing regularly can also enhance your ability to notice early signs of stress or discomfort. Many people find it increases self-awareness, making it easier to recognize and manage emotions in daily life.
Tips for a deeper practice.
To get the most from body scan meditation, set aside dedicated time each day, even if it's just a few minutes. Try to approach the practice with curiosity and patience. Let go of expectations and remember that it's normal for your mind to wander. Be gentle with yourself and simply return your focus to the body each time you notice your attention drifting.
Integrating body scan meditation into daily life.
You can use body scan meditation anytime you need to relax or reconnect with yourself. Consider practicing before bed to improve sleep, during breaks to release tension, or after stressful moments. Over time, this technique can become a valuable tool for managing stress and enhancing overall well-being as part of your mindfulness routine.